Excuse me, how do I get to the Red Cafe?
The Red Cafe? Let's see. Go to the corner and turn left.
Left.
Go 2 blocks and turn right.
Right.
Around the corner is a train station.
Take the train.
Don't take the train. Go through the station, across the street, to the bookstore. Next to the bookstore is a pharmacy. Next to the pharmacy is the Red Cafe.
Yes.
Got it? Let's do it again. Corner, left. 2 blocks, right. Around the corner, don't take the train. Through the station, across the street. Bookstore, pharmacy, Red Cafe.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.